Selling at auction, this golf course home in Summerlin, Nevada, behind the gates of the Red Rock Country Club. The 18th fairway on one side, Red Rock Canyon views on the other. And it's all selling in a DeCaro auction.
This is their last chance to take action before the home ultimately sells. The date that you need to act is May 9th.
The home has gone through a full refresh, including a 2,000 square foot addition. The main level features an open floor plan, high ceilings, a natural flow, and walls of glass that disappear. This bar anchors the main living space, flowing into a centerpiece kitchen with waterfall island, cabinetry to the ceiling, clean lines, and built for both everyday living and entertaining. And the office, generous in size with full wraparound built-ins, designed to function as a real workspace. Tucked away for privacy, 2 bedrooms, a living room, bathroom, and wet bar. And this flex space currently set up as a golf simulator. Top-of-the-line TrackMan, projector, and monitors. The full setup to keep your game sharp. The spiral staircase leads to a large primary suite, sitting room with fireplace, and private balcony. Spa-style bath with freestanding tub, walk-in shower, and dual closets.
It truly is turnkey. There is nothing that hasn't been touched in the house. We changed counters throughout the house. We refaced and did all of the cabinetry throughout the house. Refaced fireplaces, painted the whole house, hardware throughout.
Also upstairs, this massive game room and theater with a wet bar. In the front, this private courtyard. Off the back, a covered patio, pool, and golf course views, with the option to expand if you want more space. The community clubhouse is just steps away with gym, fitness classes, tennis, and pickleball. Your minutes to downtown Summerlin with dining, shopping, and entertainment. And quick access to the world-famous Las Vegas Strip.
Red Rock stands at the very top of the list for many reasons. Number one, the elevation. It's cooler here than in a lot of places elsewhere in the city because of how high we are.
This DeCaro auction is the best opportunity in the state of Nevada.
The highest bidder is going to win this home. There's no minimum bid. It's open to all qualified parties. A DeCaro auction is the best way to buy a property in this market. You have immediate transparency into what's going on. You can be certain that you're not going to pay a dime more than you need to pay because you'll have full transparency into every person bidding against you. So with this auction, we're going to be rewarding our early bidders with a 4% credit, which is a huge advantage at auction.
The countdown is on. Only days remain to make this property yours. Register to bid at DeCaroauctions.com.